Hi everyone! This is my tutorial on adding blush to amigurumi and crochet dolls. What you will need first is blush powder and a Q-tip. Pick up some blush powder with the Q-tip. Dab the blush powder to both sides of the cheeks. I like to add a lot at first and then smooth it out after. I like to spread blush across the cheeks as well. This gives a more connected look. Then you can slowly smooth out the color. Smoothing it out will create a gradient, making a softer look. If there is some excess powder on the eyes, use a tissue to wipe it off. And there you have it. You're all done with adding blush to your doll. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.